Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today, and I really hope you are ready to see something practical, something real, and something that can actually help you understand how automated trading works step by step in real conditions. Before we move forward, take a moment and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and press the notification bell, because every single video we upload is part of a real journey. Not just theory, not just talk, but actual execution with real results. So guys, today we are trading on DBot platform on Deriv. And yes, we've been working on this system for a long time, testing strategies, improving setups, understanding market behavior, and building something that can perform consistently over time. This is not something we started yesterday. And this is not guesswork. This is based on experience, testing, and real performance. And today, this is Challenge Day 2. Welcome to this journey. So as you can see, we are starting today with approximately $125. And this is because on day 1, we grew our account from $100 to around $125, which clearly shows that step-by-step growth is possible when you follow a structured system and avoid emotional decisions. Now understand one important thing. Growth in trading is not about making huge profits in one day. It is about consistency, discipline, and following a system that is designed to manage risk and execute trades properly. If we can grow a small account step by step, then with the right mindset and proper guidance, you can also learn how to build something stable. And if you're interested in starting your own journey, you can message us directly on WhatsApp. And if WhatsApp is not available in your region, then you can contact us on Telegram, and we will guide you properly step by step so you understand everything clearly. Now, let's talk about why trading is becoming so important right now. The world situation is not stable because of wars, economic pressure, inflation, and many other factors, and rely on only one source of income is becoming risky day by day. That is why it is important to build an additional way of earning, something that can support you, something that is not limited to one job or one salary. And trading, when done properly, can be one of those options. But here's the problem. Manual trading is very difficult for most people. People lose not because the market is impossible, but because they cannot control their emotions. Greed makes them overtrade. Fear makes them exit early, and impatience leads to wrong decisions. But here, in automated trading, everything is based on logic, strategy, and predefined rules. There are no emotional decisions, no panic entries, no random exits. And that is what creates consistency over time. Also, remember, this is not our first challenge. We have already completed a challenge where we turned $5,000 into $20,000. And we also made withdrawals. And that full proof is available on our YouTube channel. So you can go and watch it yourself and understand how the process works. Now, let's come back to today's session. As you can see, before starting the bot, we first analyze the market conditions. Because even though the system is automated, we still follow a structured approach and do not just run it blindly. After analyzing, we go to DBot, and then we apply our strategy settings carefully. Today, we selected volatility 51s, and this selection is not random. It is based on our previous analysis and understanding of how this market behaves. Then we configured all the parameters properly. Our stop loss is set at approximately $19, and our take profit is set at around $31. And these values are not random numbers. They are calculated based on risk management and system performance. Everything is planned, everything is structured, and now, as you can see, the bot is running, trades are being executed automatically. And this is where the real power of automation comes in. You're not sitting and clicking buttons again and again. You are not reacting emotionally to every small movement. The system is doing its job. Now, let me tell you something important. Success is not about luck. It is about making a decision and sticking to it. Most people keep waiting. They keep watching, they keep thinking, but they never take action. And that is why they remain in the same situation. But those who take action, who start small, who stay consistent, they're the ones who move forward. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start with the right system. Think about your current situation honestly. Now make sure you visit our website. You can see the domain in the video. Because our goal is not just to show results. Our goal is to help people understand the process and start their journey properly. Many people are already working with us. Many people are already learning, and many people are already progressing step by step. We have completed multiple challenges, and all those videos are available on the channel. So you can go and watch them to understand how consistency is built over time. Now, let's talk about today's results. Our bot executed a total of 115 trades. Out of these, 107 trades were successful, and only 8 trades were lost. And from this session, we made around $31 from a balance of $125. This clearly shows how a structured system can perform when everything is executed properly. And remember, this is just day 2. As the balance increases, the potential for growth also increases, but the process remains the same, disciplined and structured. So yes, challenge day 2 completed successfully, and we made profit. And as you can still see, we are trading on a real account. The bot is still running, and this is not demo trading. This is actual execution. Our system works through API integration, which allows better control over trade execution and helps in managing consecutive losses more effectively. This is one of the key reasons why the